Looking for ways to add variety to your diabetes meal prep? I have 3 different ways that you can serve one diabetic recipe, and I promise it's going to please the entire family. And guess what? It doesn't include cauliflower rice. The recipe we're going to use is our slow cooker fajitas. Now, it only contains 3 ingredients, which is our stew meat, our fajita seasoning, you can use taco seasoning, and our onion, which we're going to slice. Now, if you're making this in the morning and you're going to work, you're going to put it in your slow cooker for 4 to 6 hours. But a few months back, I did a freezer meals recipe, and I want to remind you how we did it freezer meal style. And so this is probably, I lied. I said the Rayo's was the most expensive. My bad. And Christian is crawling behind me. I don't know why. But hey, this is real life, gang. We're sports parents and we're trying to stay healthy. This was $9.06 and I couldn't find this on sale. So this is the regular price. Whereas the chicken I got for $149 over at Albertsons. These are the beef kind of, I would call them tips. You could really get it cut any way. We're gonna use our knife, we're gonna get this open. And one of the things, gang, that I tell everybody is that we do, I forgot what I was gonna say, brain fart. That's a whole mom thing. I don't know what's going on with me with that. But let me know in the comments section if you get brain fart, because I just did, you know, and I think that's pretty common. This could be a slight mess. So I'm again, use the tongs to kind of put these in here. And again, if it was just me, this is what I would do if it was just me right here. I'm like, get in there. You know, I kind of tell that meat who's boss. A lot of us are nervous about red meat. We know that chicken's lean. You know, our chicken is a very lean protein item. So is our lean cuts of our beef. So don't be afraid. Whoops, I had some more meat in here. Don't be afraid to use our beef. And obviously, you know, I'm gonna say it right now, I'm short. I probably should have used some type of step, but again, today is a day of realness. We are not, you know, kind of sugarcoating stuff for you. Kroger taco seasoning, I'm gonna put the whole packet in there. I'm gonna throw those onions that we chopped up earlier in here. And then our beef broth. I'm gonna put about a half a can of the beef broth in here. And again, I did pre-open it, so I would want you to do that. And that's about a half of our can. And this again will go low for 4 to 6 hours. Chop up fresh zucchini and squash. You're gonna saute it in about a tablespoon of olive oil. It's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook down. And I love to serve our fajita mixture over this. It is absolutely divine. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, spray your pan with nonstick cooking spray, and you're gonna line this pan with sliced zucchini. Now you don't see this part, I bake it for about 25 minutes, and you can see that I'm topping it with another meal from that freezer meal video, which is our slow cooker meatballs. Now I link that video below in the comment section. I want you to watch it after this because all 5 of those meals, you can serve these 3 ways. So that gives you what, 15 different meals that you can choose from to feed your family. It's gonna keep your blood sugars low. And hey, while you're down there, subscribe. And I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you're new here, welcome. I share easy recipes that are diabetic and pre-diabetic friendly. During the day, I work as a dietitian, and at night, I develop these super fun recipes. You see that I sprinkled some cheese on top of those meatballs. You could do the same with the fajitas, and you throw it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Bada bing, bada boom. Say hello to spaghetti squash. Now this is very intimidating for folks because it's super hard, but I have the perfect hack for you. Go ahead and poke holes in the spaghetti squash, put it in the microwave for about 2 to 4 minutes. Now it's gonna be hot when you remove it. You're gonna slice it in half, remove all that center junk, which you didn't see me do, and we cook in the oven again, 400 for about 25 minutes. This one has the salsa chicken, which again comes from that freezer meal video, but yes, you could put the fajita mixture on there, sprinkle cheese, put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Everyone will love these variations, and I want you to keep watching. Click on that video on the right. It is those freezer meal videos because I want you to get some great ideas for your diabetic meal prep. And gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you love this video, give it a like, and hey, tell me hello in the comment section, and be sure to download our 7-day menu, which will help lower your blood sugars and help with weight loss. Love you bunches, gang. Bye-bye.